hit with an axe. Different angle.
Yeah, maybe right here.
You can try to cut it. Feel it right there?
Something.
Yeah. It's probably more root.
All this back concrete.
Woo.
But the fence goes up on this side, so that's what we got to make sure.
Slide your hand down as you're swinging. There you go.
Oh.
Yeah, things bounce. What are you reaching for?
Get a more sturdy stance. Put 1 foot forward.
Ah, yeah. Hey, what if we discovered a treasure back here?
That'd be cool.
That was buried for years.
Oh.
Or the guy's ex-wife. Don't let it get away from you. Hey, she won a prize.
Stop.
That made people ring the bell 3 times in a row.
I know, it's a gift. I don't know what I'm doing.
You're working up a sweat.
I know, but it's entertaining, whatever it is.
So, Dad, what's today?
Today is July 29th.
What year?
2020. We're putting up a fence. We took down some trees, and after taking down the trees, we have to repair the section of the fence. The fence went right through the trees, literally. And now we're mixing some concrete to pour the pole. We did it backwards. We put the pole up and the fence up first, now we're pouring the concrete.
So Neil's mixing the concrete here. It's still too much water.
It's all at the bottom. I'm trying to scrape it off the bottom.
Is it the bottom?
Yeah.
That's gonna make some yummy soup. You're doing a great job there, Neil. Yeah, look at that face. The face of a champion. So it's been raining here a lot. They've got all these stones up. There's the fence. Well, the future fence. And the hole that we're pouring concrete in is right over here.
Yeah, this is way too much water.
And there's water in the hole too. There's also another pole that we're going to put over there. What you getting that cup for, Mom?
try to bail out some cement.
Gentlemen's in front of the driveway. She's trying to get the water?
Yeah.
Mom, you don't have to worry about the water, babe. Once we put it in that hole, it's going to slip right down.
It'll dry.
Oh, that's true.
It's going to get rain, though. It's going to be a lot wetter than that. We're not building bridges here. We're fine.
You poured the whole thing?
Wow.
Let's see where he poured.
I didn't even get it on film yet. What are you doing here, Mom?
I'm ready to put boards up on the fence. Come and help me.
Okay. I see you got a new addition around your hips.
And it's not an Abby.
And it's not an Abby.
That thing's never coming out of the hole.
Y'all have your screws?
Let's take a look. Nope, never coming out.
Jeff? Okay.
Carpenter
So,
Mom
Abby,
here
you
has
can
put up,
come over here.
you put up the first fence board. Very nice job. First 2 screws are in. So this is Abby here. We have 3 fence boards up. I'm watching my head because she's putting the square. And we're using the screws because our power nailer is not operational right now. So we're doing it the old-fashioned way, huh, Mom?
Yeah. You're watching your kids do it. That's the old-fashioned way.
Well, actually, I'm watching you do it, so that's... But yeah. Watching you kids do it. Is that enjoyable, Mom?
Oh, immensely. I'm holding this board waiting for you. Is this a different wood or is this just completely dry?
All right.
It's dry.
Abby and Mom. Abby has graduated from ULL. Now she's taking a secondary course in fencing for self-protection purposes. And here they are. Mr. Wilson on one side and Abby on the other. That's all you see. But anybody would recognize that nose anyway. So they say she must be a Bruce. And there's Neil over here. He's peeing behind the, oh, he's not peeing. He's pouring out concrete water behind the garage.
He's trying to fill in the hole to China.
He's filling in the hole. Mom, screwing around. We've been working on this project. She's been screwing around all day. So what can I say? More commentary. For prosperity, can you say, look at me, Daddy, look at me.
Look at me, Daddy, look at me. Me.
Hey, me. Yeah. Good, you're a true Bruce. We're going to try to get Mom from a different perspective here. I wasn't talking about the back side, but that works too. Okay.
I've got sweat in my eye.
That's sweating your eyes. Sure it's not raindrops? Or tears of happiness and joy? Finally get this fence done. There you go. You might say we're mending fences in our family.
Abby, we're going to want to put the level on this one next.
Okay.
We'll learn how to mend fences throughout the thing. Okay. And you might can't say we're not an on-level family. Here we are, proving it again.
It's level.
It's level. Okay.
Oh.
All right. For those watching, sorry if I get you dizzy.
Wait, it's not. Oh, there you go.
Take your hand off a string.
It's sagging.
There we go. One more time.
We're watching them work.
We're working on our government employment skills.
So we got Neil here rinsing off his boots and this ladder because we just finished Wow. We just finished putting up the fence. And Abby here, me, was putting in the last screws and nails on that side of the fence. So we put up that ladder, straddled it over the fence, and I climbed on over, and then we did the same thing over there to finish off that post. And now we're just picking up the bricks. It was a good work today, guys. Mom, Neil, good work. Wave to the camera.
Good job, Abby.
Wave to the camera. Your arm.
I'm done.
Okay, cheers.
Okay, truce. Truce. There you go. Wait. Is that truce? Is that how you do it?
Truce.
You flip patty cake.
Patty cake, patty cake.
I'm out of breath now. Now you're asking for it.
Not on purpose. That was fun. Look at Lizzie.
It's like so nerve-wracking. Like you know you're gonna get tickled.
I wasn't gonna tickle you.
Ow! Alright, that's enough. That's enough. I'm moving over here. I'm too nervous sitting next to you.
Look at this.
My big flipper.
So I always wondered if, like, it's ticklish for people to pet her belly, but she like enjoys it.
Oh yeah, she enjoys the belly
Because
rubs.
she always wants a belly rub.
Watch. Oh, belly rub.
See, because she always, she likes you being
Belly rubs.
Abby, why